Alright, so working on 2016 Allegro. We're removing the batteries, the house batteries. So your house batteries are going to be located on the stairs, under the stair. So ours has a carpet, so once you move the carpet to the side, there's these knobs, screws. You just unscrew them. I already got these out, so pop them out completely, make sure they're out. Same thing on this side, there's two of them as well. I removed them already. The caps did pop out of mine, so they look like a Allen wrench, just in case. I don't know the size, I didn't check. So once you get the four screws out on both sides, now you lift this up and you slide it out. Just kind of move it around. And why you have to lift it up in the front is because it sits basically in these, kind of tucks in there at an angle. Alright, so once you get those out, these are your batteries. We have 4, some supposedly have 2, ours has 4. So now you're gonna have a few of these screws. So what is it?
How many?
Alright, so there's gonna be 6 screws to remove this frame. You have to remove the seal. It just pops out, it's pretty easy. Alright, so you're gonna have Phillips screws, 6 of them. One right here, one right here, and then one right here, right there. And same thing, I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see it. There should be one right here, one right here. So once you unscrew it, now we're gonna be taking the frame out. It becomes a 2-piece. Alright, so there's another bracket that's holding the batteries in place. It's this bracket right here. It's held by 2 Phillips screws as well. So it's gonna be one right there. I already took it off, so one right there, and one right here as well. So this, you just move it around, you get it out. But this is the battery setup. There's 4 6-volt batteries. Alright, so this is the battery support frame. And it was actually held by 8mm screws, not the Phillips, just in case. So now we're using a strap around the battery to pull it out because there's not too much room. Okay, so that's the first battery. So we looped the strap through these and took it out like that.